This conference will now be recorded.
So
This
first of all, let
conference
me
will now be
introduce myself.
recorded.
So myself, Ravi Kumar. So I have overall of 8 plus years of IT experience. In that, I work for different technologies. In that, Tableau, Power BI. So little bit of exposure on DevOps as well as Splunk and data warehouse called on-prem as well as a Splunk like Snowflake, a cloud data warehouse. And from past 4 to 5 batches I completed in Snowflake. Now I think it is sixth batch I'm going to take. So there's my activities. So past 1 to 1.5 years onwards I am working on Splunk. So I have exposure on Snowflake. So previously I worked with Splunk. So in the Splunk also I worked as a trainer. So now I'm doing the activities in Snowflake. It's like completely a data warehouse, cloud data warehouse. So for this, so some prerequisites is needed to learn Snowflake. One is SQL and other one is any cloud. So the prerequisites of basics will be covered in this course content itself. Almost
One is
all the
SQL and another
required
one is
cloud, any third party cloud like AWS, Azure, or Google.
okay, fine.
So that all prerequisites of things for Snowflake will be covered in our course content. Okay, don't worry about it. So just it is not our session. Actually, it will make it as an interactive section. Why? Because it just we will introduce ourselves, and after that, you have any questions in Snowflake or other things like you can ask your questions whether this is suitable for you or not. You can ask it. After that, I will just explain it what is Snowflake, and after that, in next session we'll go with a deep in Snowflake. Okay, so please let you introduce yourself.
Yeah, myself SVS Kumar and alias Santosh Kumar, and I complete my
Okay,
MTech in 2012, and I have 12 years experience in teaching in computer science department.
okay,
I but as usual, I want to come to IT field, so that's why I know need to know some skills about Snowflake technology. So nowadays, all are using Snowflake technology now. So that's why I came and I am learning. Came to learn about Snowflake. Regarding
okay.
that, I
Sounds good.
contact you. Yeah.
Okay, it's good. No problem. Vishwa,
Hi, good morning, everyone. My name is Yushnath
good
Reddy.
morning.
You can call me Vishwa. Yeah, actually, I'm working as a Power BI developer for the TCS last 2.5 years. I have a little bit
Okay,
experience in the SQL side, but I am very anxiety to know the Snowflake because of the future will be Snowflake, right? So I am very anxiety to know the Snowflake. This is my brief insurance. Yeah,
it's okay.
thank you.
Good to know this. What about Raj Kumari?
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Currently, I'm not working. Previously, I worked for a senior uh, relationship officer for Axis Bank. Currently, I'm switched into software side so that I uh,
Good to know that also. No problem. Lakshmi Prasanna.
Morning, sir. My name is Lakshmi Prasanna,
Hi,
and I
good
worked
morning.
as previously 2.5 years in government sector, and I'm seeing forward in IT sector. So I heard a lot about the snowflakes and the data warehouse, and previously I have a knowledge on the Pega also. So I want to know about the snowflakes now. Thank you.
Okay, good. Purnachandra?
Hi Ravi, good morning. My name is Purnachan. I am working with CL on SAP BW HANA. The main reason we
Okay,
are moving our project to Snowflake now.
okay,
Also, the data is no more SAP BW will be enhanced. So the data is completely moving to Snowflake further. So it will be the future updates.
good, good,
So that is
good.
the reason I
Yes,
was like, yeah.
yes, it's came. Yes, very, very good approach. Now, some people are from IT background, some people are from non-IT background. For whatever it may be, this course is apt subject for learning and enhancement of your skill set and getting good packages and also for shifting into IT. It is one of the best course. Why? Because I believe in one formula. I believed in one formula that is easy, latest, demanded, and supported. So if you follow this formula, so you'll get job in IT definitely. Why? Because if it is easy, you can easily understand your subject so that you can practice by your own itself. Even though you'll get job also, so by learning the things you can easily apply in real time. So that's the first point, easy. Latest means a competition will be less if you are going with the latest tool. So easy tool, latest tool, latest course, whatever it may be, latest tool. So competition will be less and also you can get more opportunities. So even though people don't know the full subject, so you'll get a liberal int- interview will be easier. Why? Because people don't know about full subject. So that time interview will be very easy if you choose the latest tool. Okay. Demanded means so when so many people are trying to give lot of things like so many people are saying lot of things like we will provide a job, we will provide a job assistance, other things and other things. If they was failed to support you, so if it is a demanded tool, so there we have a chance to attend n number of interviews so that you will get a job at one point. So that's why if you choose a demanded tool, so with other helps, otherwise with your individual also you will get your job. Okay, why? Because lot of opportunities are there and also there is a chance of attending lot of interviews with a demanded tool. Supporting tool like means so if anywhere you start, so if you got support, so you'll learn something from that. So that's the supporting. Even though if you placed in company also, so in real time if you stuck somewhere, so if any real time guy will support you, you will come out of that problem. So that's why if you choose a supporting guy means it's like a trainer. Okay, a trainer is one of the supporting guy, first most important supporting guy. Okay, so we need these four things to select a course. In that, Snowflake is the one of the best tool. So why? Because it is very easy tool, no coding is required. No coding is required. No coding is required. It's completely based on SQL. Completely based on SQL queries. So SQL query means structured query language. It's completely based on SQL queries. You need little bit of exposure in we need exposure. You need to learn some basics of ETL, SQL, and and SQL. Any cloud basics, any basic cloud, any cloud basics, and integrations with integrations with BA tools. We need with the BA tools. We need these things to complete to learn our Snowflake. So I will cover you almost all the things. I will cover you basics of ETL, basics of SQL, and basics of cloud. With AWS cloud, I will cover you. So I will cover on AWS cloud and integrations with VA2. And completely I worked on Snowflake. My main focus in this course content is Snowflake, and after that AWS, and after that basics of SQL, ETL, and integrations, and security part of Snowflake and other things.
ABAP means programming, sir.
I'm sorry,
ABAP.
ABAP is programming. It's SAP ABAP you're talking.
Okay.
Yes, it's completely programming. Clear? So coming to opportunities. Actually, this is my experience. Tableau, Power BI, Data Warehouse, on-prem, DevOps, Splunk, and Snowflake. Right now, Snowflake, around 8 years of IT experience I have. In Snowflake, I will cover you both administration plus development. Both I will cover you. So it will take 35 to 40 hours time period. So we'll have a classes on Monday to Friday, Saturday optional. I will give complete support on WhatsApp, like doubts, other stuff, and share all the documents with WhatsApp itself. I will show you reference documents to enhance our skill set. Okay. And also in Snowflake, I will cover you all the real-time topics, interview questions, real-time scenarios, resume guidance, and interview guidance. Complete. Okay. And next, coming to the job openings in Snowflake, lot many openings are there. All MNC companies are taking Snowflake profiles, and almost all companies having a openings for the Snowflake. But one thing here, in India, the market is not started. Still, it is not started. Okay, so almost we are getting a outside projects like foreign projects like USA, UK, and other countries projects only. Okay, that means there is a lot of chance to get a on-site projects. So in outside coming to the outside people like outside like USA, UK people, you have got many opportunities for the Snowflake. Okay, so I think we are expecting the market in India in few days. Okay, so if you got market in India that time, so no, Snowflake is in some other level. Okay, so that's the thing. And coming to the packages, use packages we have. So based on your package and experience, so you will get a use and bulk of packages based on your experience as well as based on your present package. So minimum you will get 30 to 40% hike. Okay, as well as if you keep your experience, so for 2 years maximum, any years depends upon the experience on RIT. So you have a chance to get 25 to 30 lakhs also. Okay. So one of my student got 23 lakhs with overall of 6 years of IT experience, overall of 6 years of IT experience and 2 years in Snowflake. Okay. So you have a opportunities as freshers also. So for freshers also you will get opportunities, but it is very less. At the first day itself, I am telling you, as a freshers, there is very less opportunities to get a job. At least minimum they are expecting 1.5 to 2 years minimum of experience they are expecting on Snowflake. Maximum 10 years, but minimum 1.5 to 2 years they are expecting. Clear? Now, prerequisites, I already told you SQL in a data warehouse, like previous data warehouse like SQL and other things. For many course content, according to me, no prerequisites. So for my course content means first my course content of Snowflake, according to me, no prerequisites is needed. Why? Because everything I can cover you, okay, in our sections itself. At least the basic computer operations like seeing movies, playing games, creating files or documents, that is more enough to learn the Snowflake and to attend my classes. Okay, so simply no prerequisites is needed to learn our course content, my course content, because I will teach you entire prerequisites and other topics in our course content itself. So, but you need basic computer operations like seeing movies, playing games, creating files or documents, and doing something on your laptop. Okay, so that is enough. Like familiar with the computer or laptop is enough to learn this course. Clear? Your basic content will be covered. Okay. If you have any questions till that, you can ask me. Up to now, do you have any questions? Please ask me.
And what would be the apart from Snowflake, and what are other new courses like? I hear that SQL and PLSQL play a major role in this.
SQL is playing major role. Why? Because in Snowflake, we need to write a query. Okay. So to query means query is in the form of almost in SQL only. So but Snowflake query will be called as a Snow SQL. Snow SQL. But it is 90 to 95% is similar to SQL.
Okay. And like the two types in the Snowflake, like admin level and other level.
Yes, admin and development level both will be there. So I will cover you both.
And some people are telling there we needed some little bit of Python experience also for this.
If it is you have a experience, you know some Python, that will be the additional activity. So, but it is not compulsory.
Okay, thank you.
It is not compulsory. Why? Because Python is like a something like, for example, anywhere you can use our Python. Every technology they are expecting Python knowledge. Every technology, but how much they are using, they don't know. Even they don't know how much they are using. Okay, so that's what the problem. So it is definitely Python is one of the best tool, best technology. So you can learn it also, easy technology, no problem. Okay, no coding, it's a scripting actually. Okay, we can learn it, but we don't know how much of opportunities we have in Python itself. So Python is a supporting technology for any technology, so that it is not compulsory. It is additional knowledge.
So we need to learn both SQL and PLSQL also, or
No,
otherwise only SQL is enough.
SQL is enough. SQL is enough.
Yeah.
I think even you don't need to learn also. So why? Because everything I will teach you on Snowflake itself. So you can learn NoSQL is enough.
Okay.
Any questions, please ask me.
Yeah, actually I'm a fresher. If you know the course of Snowflake, it will get a better job to me.
Yes, actually, you are fresher to IT, but
Yes.
you have a lot of gap in between your education and now.
Yes.
Okay. So companies are not expecting a fresher person.
Yes. Yes.
So that you need to keep minimum of 1.5 to 2 years experience.
Okay. What should I do, sir?
So freshers also will be there. Okay. You'll get profiles
Okay.
shortlisted with freshers also, but very few opportunities for freshers.
Okay. What should I
What you will
do?
do? First, you learn
Yes.
your course, try as a
Okay.
fresher,
Okay.
try as a fresher. And after that, even though you are not getting a job as a fresher, then you just go with a experience of 1.5 to 2 years experience.
Okay.
How you can keep that experience, how to approach it, I will explain after this course or in the
Okay.
middle of our.
Okay. Fine.
Okay, that's the thing.
Yeah.
And then here in our course content, I will cover up to 3.5 to 4 years experience on
Okay.
Snowflake.
Fine. Yeah.
Minimum 3 years experience I covered
Okay.
in the Snowflake itself.
Yeah. Fine. Yeah.
Whatever the knowledge for the 3 years or 3.5 years person, that knowledge
Okay.
will be shared in this course content.
Okay.
So whatever the class, every class will be uploaded. So this class is, I think, no need of this class. So from next class itself, Every class will be uploaded in the drive. You will get access with that videos. And also after, for example, 30 to 45 classes, your course content was completed. Okay, suppose. So if any
Yeah.
new topic was come after 1 month, and after that
Okay.
also you will get updated that new topic on your drive itself.
Okay, that's
So
fine.
for next batch, I will take one more topic, new topic. For you, I will take one more two topics newly. That topics, new topics will be also updated in your respected drives.
Okay, fine.
And also, if you enroll the my classes, you will get lifetime free classes up to when I will teach. So if I teach the
Okay.
Snowflake, if I am teaching the Snowflake, you will get a free access.
Okay, fine.
First enrollment is enough.
Yeah. So how much the fees of the Snowflake?
That will be completely shared with the concerned team, so they will share this
Okay.
information.
Yeah.
Up to the trainer, my part, so that whatever the things I will do, I will tell you. And
Yeah,
then
fine.
we will create a one WhatsApp group, so you can
Okay.
ping me in that WhatsApp group, or I will share
Okay.
my personal number after one or two
Okay.
classes. So you can
Okay.
ping me with that number also. You have any
Okay.
questions, you can ask me with that number.
Yeah, fine.
While practicing the Snowflake, you will get lot of doubts. You'll just make screenshot of that doubt, okay, so that I
Okay.
can easily understand your doubt and I can clear your doubt at any time.
Yeah, fine. Thank you.
Coming to the documentation, I will share almost all complete documentation which was explained on our classes. Apart from
Okay.
this, I will give you reference documentation to learn more and more on Snowflake.
Hmm.
That's it.
Yeah. Some of my friends are telling if you know learn about Snowflake course and after that you have to kept any fake about experience about Snowflake and have to apply jobs. That is right or wrong, sir?
Actually, previously I told you na, that is same as it is what you are saying, but I didn't say like as it is. As a trainer, I don't use that fake word. Okay,
Okay.
so that the things happen. Okay, as a
Okay.
fresher, you will try. You don't get calls means
Okay.
what you will do. You'll just keep your experience, like as you said,
Yes.
fake.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Fine. Fine.
Otherwise,
I
you can
understand.
manage with your experience also. What you are doing, your work. For example, some people are working with some other technology. So within the
Yes.
technology itself, you can manage it. No problem. That will be explained. No problem. I will explain after some classes based on
Okay.
your requirements.
Yeah.
I will give you support.
Okay.
Don't
Fine.
worry.
Yeah. Fine. Fine.
Any questions, other guys? Yes, Rajkumari.
Sir, hello.
Yes, please.
Data scientist
I'm sorry, I'm not getting you. I think you are getting poor network. Please, I'm not getting you.
scientist.
Vishwanath Reddy.
Uh, Hi, sir. Actually, the real time topics very important because of we go to some of the experience to IT. We need to face different situations in definitely in our real time projects, right? So, how much of real time experience we will cover, sir? Actually, as for our project sites. because of you are already worked on the Snowflake, right? You know how much of experience needed for the project side. Very different, very differently we can pace in the real time projects, right? So that is main importance. You have to cover, please, the topic.
Yes, exactly. So exactly what it is means in Snowflake, we don't consider as a one project. Why? Because Snowflake won't work on project wise. Snowflake will work on roles and responsibilities. Every project the Snowflake will be there. Okay, to maintain their bulk and use data. So we need to work on the data based on the roles and responsibilities. So that whatever the classes I'm covering here, I'm teaching here, it's almost same in real time. But here we can integrate with a 1 GB data. In real time, you can integrate and you can deal with a TBs of data. Okay,
Yeah.
that's the main difference. So, and frankly saying that we are not cover almost all the things, 100% we are not covered. As a trainer, we can cover up to 50 to 60% here. But you need to practice more, and you need to work on it. That will takes to the 70 to 80%. That is more than enough to get and survey in real time. There is
Okay.
nothing separate in real time. Whatever the software I am showing on the teaching, okay, that is as it is software you have in real time, as it is activity. Activity is also almost same in real time. For example, you have a data in some cloud. Okay, they want to get the data into a Snowflake. How you can get the data into a Snowflake? That is called data loading. Data loading. How you can load
Okay.
your data into a Snowflake? That is anywhere the topic is same, na? In real
Mm.
time or practice purpose also it is same, na?
Yeah.
You want to get some parsing data, unparsing data, semi-structured data. How you will get? That is also same, na? For example, right now you are using on-prem data warehouse. You want to get whatever the latest data into Snowflake, and old data from database like a data warehouse is also into Snowflake. How you will get? These all are the real-time scenarios, real-time topics. We'll cover entire topics in our course content. So one thing I need to share here, nothing new in real time. Whatever the topics I am covering here is almost same in real time. But here we are talk about small data. In real time, it is a huge data.
Yes. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you.
Lakshmi Prasanna. Yes, please.
Can we
Purnachandra.
accept? Hello.
Yes, please. Yes, please.
Can we expect 2 years of experience? Is that okay, sir?
Even you can try as a fresher also. There is a calls. If you are expecting more calls, then at least you need to go with the experience. Some experience like 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, up to your capacity, your learnings. So, but Fresher is also enough. 1 year also enough. 2 years also enough. My recommendation is up to 3 years. It's a worst
Okay.
case, you can keep up to 3 years. But my recommendation is up to 2 to 2.5 years is enough. Why? Because this is very new technology. People don't know about this technology. If you keep 3 years means you'll get lot of burden on your work. So 1.5, 2 years is also enough to get a good job.
By by keeping 2 years of experience, they will be asking the in-depth questions like, no, sir.
Nobody knows about Snowflake. Man. What is in depth? Within the Snowflake only they want to ask, na?
Yeah.
So many people don't know about Snowflake, so that people are asking the question on SQL
Yeah.
nowadays. Okay,
Yeah. Yeah.
so no in-depth questions are right now. That's what this is very latest technology. Interview also will be liberal.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, I'm good to go.
That's the things. Now coming to Snowflake.
Okay.
What is Snowflake?
Yeah, tell me.
Snowflake is a cloud data warehouse. It is two parts. One is cloud and other one is data warehouse. First, what is data warehouse? Data warehouse means first talk about warehouse. What it mean by warehouse? Warehouse is nothing but storeroom or repository or storage repository. For example, in your home, all unused things will be placed in one room. That room we call it as a storeroom, but in technical term we can call it that it as a warehouse. Why? Because whatever the unused things, unused uh, products is placing on that storeroom means for future purpose you are keeping that in storeroom. Maybe you will get used on that activity, that product in future. Maybe you think that that is useful on future. That's why you are keeping that product in some storeroom. Yes or no? Same like that, whatever the activities and operations you are doing on your applications or transactions will be maintained on the database. The databases will support for a little while only. So for that, you want to maintain a huge and bulk of data, we need a data warehouses. Data warehouse is a one type of database which will maintain a huge and bulk of data coming from the different range of sources. It is also called it as a centralized repository. Data warehouse is a one type of database. Database is nothing but storing some transactions, storing some maintaining data, but that is for little while only, not for use and long period. So for that we need a data warehouses. Data warehouse is a one type of databases which will call it as a centralized repositories which will stores the data coming from different range of sources. Clear? What it mean by data warehouse?
It's like a godown.
Yes, you can call it as a Goda, no problem. For example, if you order some product in your Amazon, So you got a one message, yes, your product was delivered from warehouse.
Yes.
So warehouse is nothing but maintaining a huge bulk of data to do some other operations or feature things. For example,
Yes.
suppose you have a kid, you have a lot of toys for your kid. So your kid was
Yes.
grown, like he's not playing with the toys. What you will do? You will just save, or you can make that entire into a some storeroom. Why?
Yes.
Just throw out, na? Why you are
Yes. Yes.
maintaining that into a storeroom? Maybe
Meanwhile,
you are
we can
maybe
our child ask any other day about that
yes,
toy. We can give the toy.
yes. For future, in future, there is a
Yes.
possibility your child will ask a toy. Otherwise, the toy will be used in some other place. Otherwise, if you have another kid, he will play with the toys.
Yes.
That is for future things, not expected now. In
Yes.
future, maybe that will be expected. That is that purpose. You are maintaining some data. So same like that. So databases for present situations. For example, suppose you are doing lot of transactions in HDFC Bank. That online transactions and other stuff will be maintained on databases. For example, you want 1 year statement, 2 year statement. Is it possible on online?
No.
1 year, up to 1 year, it will be possible. Okay, some banks are providing up to 2 years also.
Mm.
Some banks are
Yes.
providing up to 2 years also. Suppose I have an account up from last 15 years onwards. I want a statement from last 15 years. Is it possible on online?
No, we have
No, it
to
is
get
not
a backup
possible.
data. Backup.
Yes, sir. So databases, if you are trying to take a last 1 year data, that will be connect to a database. Why? Because
Yes.
databases serve for latest. But if
Yes.
you want a old data, that time you need to connect with a warehouse. Why? Because
Okay.
warehouses are exclusively designed to maintain huge data.
Yes.
Clear?
Yes.
Anybody? Anybody having any questions in this? Please ask me. Anybody having any questions on this? Please ask me.
Yes, sir. Sir, you told that the data warehousing is used for future purpose. At present scenario, we can how we can use data warehouse in simple way, in simple methodology.
Yes. In simple methodology, data warehouse are using to maintain a huge and bulk of data coming from different range of sources.
Okay.
Clear? Now, Snowflake is a data warehouse. Okay. That means it will
So
use it to maintain bulk of data and huge data coming from different range of sources. Now,
so
what is
suppose
the
for
code?
suppose we are using a bank during transactions. Meanwhile, we can do any transaction using fresher database, not future database, but ongoing database we can create by using Snowflake, sir.
Not like that, man. Actually, any
Yeah.
project or any company or any application need
Okay.
some storage.
Okay.
Yes or no? To
Okay. Yes.
maintain
Yes.
their
Yes.
activities, to maintain their operations, or to maintain their transactions, they need one
Yeah.
storage.
Yes.
Okay?
Compulsory. Yes.
People are using databases to maintain
Okay.
that data, that process.
Okay.
But databases are exclusively designed to maintain latest only, like
Okay.
small data only. Like for example, suppose 1 year or 2 years data only. Whereas you want to maintain 35 years of data, how you will
Okay.
maintain? Is it possible on database? No. That's why the alternate is data warehouse. Data
Okay. Fine.
warehouse is like a database only, but is for maintaining huge data.
Yeah.
30 years, 40 years data also you can maintain.
Okay. Okay.
That's it.
Yes. Thank you, sir.
Now tell me cloud data warehouse. What is cloud data warehouse? Why I am talking about cloud data warehouse? So, sir, people are using for databases for little while, as I said previously. For a short period of time, like 1 year or 2 years, they are using a databases, databases. But a long period of time, people are using for data warehouses. Whatever the data warehouses used in industries are almost all on-prem only. What is on-prem? I will explain you. Almost all are in on-prem only. There is a lot of data warehouses are there, like SQL databases are there, Hadoop systems are there. Okay, like lot of data warehouses are there. That all are on-prem only.
Yeah, by
But
using cloud, we are doing so many opportunities nowadays,
yes,
sir. Because
yes,
I'll tell you an example. That means, for example, today we are not going anywhere. For example, I have in my house, I have a smart TV. Suddenly, I have over balance over. I'm not going to anywhere. I'm here only. I'm recharging balance. So that's why the cloud is a very major role nowadays to use like these
yes.
applications.
Please listen, man. Please
Yeah,
listen. First, you listen so that you can get something.
yeah, fine.
Okay. Almost all are on-prem only.
Yes.
But people are looking for cloud data warehouses. Why? Because
Okay.
nowadays industries are more attracted to cloud. Why people are and the industries are attracted to cloud, we will see on next class. But
Okay.
cloud is the one of the popular thing right now. So industries and companies are looking for the cloud. So for that, data warehouses also expected in cloud. Data
Okay.
warehouses also expected in cloud. That's
Okay.
why Snowflake is the company. They are introduced a cloud data warehouse.
Okay. Fine.
Okay. What is main
Yes.
difference
Fine.
between on-prem and cloud? On-prem is nothing but maintaining all resources on your company premises only. For example, you need a resources like CPU, storage, RAM, and other network devices, sensor, router, switches. These are all the resources used in your
Yes.
industries, IT industries.
Yes.
All these resources will be maintained on company only, company premises only. That refers
Okay.
to on-prem.
Yeah.
All these resources will be maintained on some other place. Via internet, you can access that resources. That refers to cloud.
Okay.
Snowflake is also a one of the data warehouse, cloud data warehouse. We no need to bother about infrastructure. We no need to bother about scaling. We no need to bother about waste of resources. And we no need to bother about a maintenance also. Why? Because completely they will take care about it. We will just the pay as per your usage. We'll just the payment. We just done the payment as per your usage, like your power bills. How much of
Yes, yes.
power bill you are using? Based on that, you need to pay at the month of end of the month, na? Same like that. Pay as you go. How much of your resources you are using on that account? Based on that, you'll get one bill. You need to pay for that all. Okay.
Okay.
So
Yeah,
what is main benefit?
by using some subscription plan. Like that.
Yes, yes, same like that. We have a different
Yes, yes,
plans are there. You'll need to select that
yes.
plans. As per that, they
So
will allocate resources. You can use
yes,
that resources based on the plan set.
yeah. Okay, okay. Yeah, I understood.
This is called cloud. So that's
Yes,
what
yes.
Snowflake is also one of the company. They are introduced a warehouse that is in cloud. That means that's why Snowflake we call it as a cloud data warehouse. It is a combination of cloud.
Okay,
Snowflake is a software which will be work with a cloud.
okay.
Clear?
Yes, yes, yes.
What is Snowflake means? Snowflake is a one of the cloud data warehouse which will be work as a centralized repository which will stores the data coming from different range of sources. So
Okay,
tomorrow we will talk about why. Do you
okay,
have any
fine.
questions? You can ask me. Otherwise, I will close the session now.
No, sir, no, sir. Thank you. Thank you for giving the brief introduction about Snowflake. Thank you.